Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wise for international client payments and withdrawals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Wise website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section in your account dashboard. In the settings menu, locate the business profile tab. Click on Business Profile to access options for managing your business information. Next, look for the Payments subsection within the Business Profile. In the Payments area, find the option to authorize payments. Click on Authorize Payment to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter details about the international client you wish to authorize. Provide the necessary information, including your client's name, country, and payment method. Make sure all entered details are accurate to avoid any issues. After entering the client information, review the terms and conditions carefully. Once you agree to the terms, click the Authorize button to proceed. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the authorization has been successfully submitted. Check your email for any verification links if prompted. If necessary, go to the Withdrawals section to set up withdrawal preferences. Confirm your withdrawal method and ensure that your bank details are up to date. Finally, ensure all settings are saved and exit the settings menu. You are now ready to send and receive international payments with Wise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.